copying a Canvas quiz to a question bank so that you can use the questions from that quiz in future quizzes. Here we have a course with just a few quizzes in it. What we'll have to do first is export these quizzes to a Canvas export file. We'll do that by going to Settings in the course menu and selecting from the task menu on the right, Export Course Content. We'll select Quiz for our export type, and we'll select the quizzes we want to export. We can do multiples. And then create the export file. You'll get a link labeled New Export, which will allow you to download your Canvas export package to your local hard drive. Click there and save this file somewhere where you'll be able to find it. And then save the export. This will download it to your local hard drive. Now go back to your settings link in your course menu and select Import Course Content. We're going to import this file right back into the same course. Your content type will be qti.zip file, which is the quiz export format for Canvas. Then we'll choose the file from our hard drive. Select it and click Open. You can then simply import the file. Process should only take a few seconds unless these are extremely large quizzes. Now let's go and look at the Quizzes tool again. You'll note that we now have duplicates of the two quizzes that we exported and then imported. That's expected. You can just delete the duplicates at need. You want to be sure that you delete the duplicates that do not have any submissions, just in case the quiz has already been taken by students when you start this process. For instance, this one does have submissions, so we want to be sure not to take that one out. That was the one here. Apparently neither of the other two quizzes have any submissions, so we can take either one of those out. So let's just get rid of the ones we no longer need by clicking on the context menu out to the right and deleting them. Doesn't matter which one of these two. Now let's go and look for a question bank. We'll go to the unlabeled context menu icon in the far upper right corner of the quizzes page and select Manage Question Banks. And here now those two quizzes have been copied as question banks. All the same questions are available in each, and these questions can now be reused when you create a new test by either using the Find Question button to select specific questions from banks, or using the New Question Group button to create question groups which are populated within a test by Canvas randomly selecting questions from specified question banks and supplying a different set of questions to each student.